This is the Tilley LTM6 Airflow Sun Hat. It is a great hat. I've had it for several years. I wear it on the boat all the time and on the dinghy. You can see how fast we're going, and it stays on no matter what speed we're going. It is machine washable. I throw it in the washing machine and lay it flat to dry. The brim is wider in the front and in the back than the side, so it shields more of the sun there. It has this long string that wraps around and doubles and has these knots on the side, so it's easily adjustable. This back string that is doubled is for the back, and it wraps around the back of your head and helps keep it on your head, and a front strap as well that you can wear underneath your chin in the front. If you wear both straps, it is not going anywhere, but as you can see of me on the boat, I did not have the front strap under my chin, and it still stayed on in extreme wind. It also has a deep pocket inside the hat with a Velcro closure. I would highly recommend this hat to anyone that is on boats, is out in extreme weather at any time, hiking, fishing. It is a great hat. I love it. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.